Southern Arizona faced a first alert weather day Friday as high winds and a red flag warning in Cochise County raised wildfire risk. Fire agencies are turning to AI-powered surveillance to stay ahead. Pano AI operates 24/7 360-degree cameras that detect smoke and instantly alert local fire departments, enabling faster response than waiting for calls. Fry Fire District was alerted to smoke from prescribed burns in the Huachuca Mountains by Pano AI, demonstrating how the technology can buy seconds or minutes in an emergency. Arizona's Department of Forestry and Fire Management announced it will deploy Pano AI statewide, and the U.S. Forest Service confirms Coronado National Forest uses it too. Co-founder Arvind Satyam says the system provides visuals, map overlays, and weather context to help responders. The cameras stay plugged into dispatch centers, monitoring ongoing fires and reducing reliance on 911 reports as wildfire season approaches.